If you're someone who loves cooking quick and easy recipes during the week with just a handful of ingredients that you've already got, then you're going to love this delish Mexican spicy fish dish. Yes, that was an original name. Anyway, to start with, you're going to just put your brown rice on the boil. I rarely use brown rice, but for this recipe, I think it works a lot better. The texture just gives it a nice flavor. And then you're going to chop up your veggies. Peppers and spring onion are what I'm using. And then we're going to fry some haddock fillets in oil. I'm using haddock, but you can use cod or some other kind of white fish, along with about a tablespoon of fajita seasoning. Keep breaking them up and just cook them until they are cooked all the way through, and remove and set aside. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favor to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Pop the pan back on the heat and add those veggies. You might need to add a little bit more oil or a wee scoosh of the 1-cal spray. It's up to you. And then fry them until they start to soften, and then just add in your sweet corn that you've drained first and cook that until it starts to not quite pop, but starts to get a little bit of colour on it. And that is just going to give it a lot more flavour. Then just before the end of cooking, we're going to add in your garlic cloves along with some of the remaining fajita seasoning and fry that for a further minute. Add the fish back into the pan. All you want to do is just mix it through and allow it to just come back up to temperature if it's been sitting on the counter for a little bit. And then for serving this, just plate it up with the brown rice. I like to garnish with freshly chopped coriander, lime juice, and some avocado. I think that just makes the dish. As always, thank you so much for watching this recipe. If you plan on making it, drop me a wee comment below and let me know what you think. And if you'd like the full recipe, you can get it inside my recipes app. The link you will find in the description below. See ya!